what y'all think about that new intro before this video starts. Let me know what y'all think. Go down into the comment section below. Let me know what you think. I think it's dope. Shout out to Wave Change, Corey, you know what I'm saying? He always be giving me a break, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, you guys, enjoy the rest of this video. What's good, YouTube? Dro TV back at it with another video. Right now, me and my boy right here, Amari, he's behind the camera right now. We about to go to this car meet. It's gonna be like one of those chill type of car meets. So it should be like a really like cool little lit vlog somewhat, you know. But yeah, you guys, I'll pick the vlog back up once we get there.
Yeah, we got an SN95 right here. Okay.
Hey, we good. What's it called? Hold on. We were supposed to go to the first spot, right? But that's when they was like, oh, it got canceled, somebody snitched or whatever. So we like the first ones here. It's not funny because everybody just not pulling up. Like we will sit here for like a good 5 minutes or.
And he epically failed at doing the donut.
I tried to. It's the thought that counts. E for effort.
Nah, you some trash.
Hey, they don't know that though. They don't know that.
Everybody parking and chilling for now. And we're gonna turn up later.
It's a full vlog.
Jetta right here.
I know. Look, I regret that shit every fucking day. I regret that shit every day.
I said, yo.
Okay, the Subi. We got right here, Challenger.
Look at this Evo over here.
Evo. Lancer gang.
You know what?
Lancer gang, bro.
Look at this guy right here. Look at this guy.
What's good, bro? My car better than yours. You slow.
Okay,
You have an older
okay.
cord.
Where's your
some
car
crap.
right now? Where's your
It
car
don't
right now?
matter.
Nowhere to be found.
Alright,
Nowhere to be
when
found.
I get my H23 in my car, don't say nothing, boy. I'm a gap you.
Right.
I'm a gap you.
What you driving?
92 Accord. I'm doing the H23.
Boo!
Boy.
Boo.
All right, bro. See me on Route 50.
right,
See me
bet.
on Route 50.
Let's go.
H23.
H23.
How's my food, man?
Bro, this is awesome, bro.
You still want to go to a
That's the
club?
joint that's in the EP3.
She wants to go to a club.
That's your
Now you want to go.
Say because I want to go. That's why.
Want to go to club?
Yo, you want to go to Bravo? Bravo.
Bravo.
Well, the spot got shut down. We on to the next location right now, yo. I'll pick the vlog back up once we get there. Look at this fan right there, just standing right there, sitting right there. So I'm kind of late to this spot right now because I didn't know where everybody was going, but I guess they're like racing right now. I'm like so late to this. Like, oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Anyways, but yeah. I don't see. I wish I had like an actual camera. So I can zoom in. Yo, I really changed my outfit. Like, I really changed my whole outfit. Huh? I thought no, cause like they said that they were gonna go to the club.
You're a
Yeah, of
head
course.
ass, dog.
I do YouTube. Hold on, watch out. Boo! I'm out across the street. That's what I like to see.
Okay, that was bad.
just at just got shut down, right? So now we're on to the, I think, third or fourth, right? Third or fourth.
Third.
Yeah, to the third location right now. Oh, shit. Damn, I don't even know where to go. What the hell? US 50 West. Alright, I'm gonna cut that part out. But yeah, we're on our way to the third location right now. I gotta put gas in my car because I just ran out of gas. Like, I'm running out of gas. I'm about to be at like E.
He's been driving like a maniac.
I haven't been driving like a maniac.
He was doing all right. I got whiplash.
But yeah, so I'll pick the vlog back up once again once we get to the third location. We're probably gonna get there like a little late because we gotta get some stops. But yeah, you guys. So, vamos a ver entonces. So it looks like the night is over. It's been getting really, really hot around this area. So yeah, we just about to go to IHOP and just eat something really quick. The night's ending short. I don't know how long this vlog is gonna be, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. And I'll catch y'all in the next video.
Keep playing, I guess. I'm ready, dog. I'm ready, dog. I'm ready, dog.
Damn it!
Did it go in your mouth?
No. 1, 3.
Yo, cameraman dead, yo.
See me, bro. See me, bro.
Can I see it?
Hey. Working out here, bro.